Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. Selling your home can be a significant undertaking, but with some preparation, you can enhance its appeal and increase the likelihood of a successful sale. Whether you're a first-time seller or have experience in the real estate market, taking specific steps to prepare your home is crucial. Today, we'll explore 3 key points to help you get your home ready for the market. First tip, enhance the curb appeal. When buyers arrive at your property, the first thing they notice is the exterior. A well-maintained and visually appealing exterior creates a positive first impression, setting the stage for a successful home tour. To enhance your home's curb appeal, invest time in landscaping to create an inviting atmosphere. Trim overgrown bushes, mow the lawn, and plant colorful flowers to add vibrancy. Inspect your home's exterior for any needed repairs. Address issues like peeling paint, cracked siding, or damaged roofing. A well-maintained exterior gives the impression that the entire property is in good condition, reassuring buyers about the quality of their potential investment. Upgrade your front door and entryway to make a lasting impression. Consider a fresh coat of paint, a stylish welcome mat, and well-placed potted plants. Tip number 2, and often the biggest, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to envision themselves living in your home. That's easier to do when they can see the space without any distraction. Follow these steps to declutter and depersonalize your home. Start by decluttering each room. Remove unnecessary items and furniture to create a sense of spaciousness. Consider renting a storage unit for excess belongings. Pack away personal items such as family photos and unique decor. Depersonalizing your space allows buyers to visualize their own belongings in your home. Let them imagine living there. Give your home a thorough cleaning. Pay attention to details like dusty corners, smudged windows, and scuffed baseboards. A clean and well-maintained home makes it evident that the property has been cared for and is in move-in ready condition. Tip number 3, highlight key features. Consider professional staging to showcase the potential of each room. Stagers can arrange the furniture and decor in a way that maximizes space and highlights key features, helping buyers see the full potential of your home. Make minor upgrades to key areas like the kitchen and bathrooms. Updated fixtures, a fresh coat of paint, or modern hardware can make a significant difference. These small investments can contribute to a higher perceived value of your home. Ensure your home is well lit during showings. Natural light is particularly appealing, so open the curtains and blinds to let that California sunshine in. By taking these 3 key steps, you'll not only enhance your home's appeal, but also increase its market value. Call or email me with any questions. I look forward to hearing from you.